blood which is coming from heart has oxygen in it. It has oxygen mixed in it. From the heart, it is going to carry and it is going to actually give it to all the parts of body. Now all the parts of body has used the oxygen. Now what they will do with the blood? They have taken up the oxygen, they have used the oxygen. What they will do with the blood? They will send it back. Okay, and how do the blood comes back? It comes back from the vein. The blood which is coming back doesn't have any oxygen. I have made minus oxygen. That means the blood which is coming back doesn't have any oxygen in it. It is called as deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated. It doesn't have any oxygen in it. And what are capillaries? Capillaries are the points, guys, where arteries and veins mix together, they join together so that they can exchange the blood. For example, the blood is coming from arteries. The arteries has given to one organ. For example, let's just say to our fingers. Okay, the arteries has given the blood to our fingers. Fingers have taken up the oxygen. Now what will happen? The blood will again come back into this side and then it will go into the vein. So this part, the capillaries are like an exchange area. Okay, they are like an exchange area जहाँ पे blood का exchange actually में होता है. And also guys, if you talk about arteries, since the blood is coming from the heart, the blood comes with a very strong push. मतलब blood जो होता है ना वो काफी ऐसे high pressure से आता है. Have you guys seen if the water comes from a high pressure and you suddenly open the tap, a lot of water comes. Yes, have you ever seen? Or if there is a pipe which is closed, suddenly water starts coming out, then पानी काफी ज्यादा pressure से आता है, right? Have you seen water coming out with a lot of pressure? Similarly, when the blood comes from arteries, it comes out with a very high pressure. That is why these arteries are quite thick walled. They are having thick walls. इनकी जो walls होती है ये काफी मोटी होती है, so that even if the blood is coming with a very high pressure, they can झेलो it, like they can withstand the blood pressure and they are not getting bursted out. Whereas if you talk about veins, so veins do not have so thick wall, they are having a thin wall only. इनकी walls पतली होती है, right? Veins की, because they are not having blood coming with high pressure. In the veins, the blood goes with normal pressure, but this is thick walled because it has blood coming at a very very high pressure. अगर thick नहीं होगी, so it can burst out, फट सकती है. Okay. Next is arteries and veins are joined by a network of. So how arteries and veins are joined, guys? They are joined by a network of. What is their joining point called as? It's called as the nerve fibers, tubes, capillaries, or all of these. 3, 2, 1, start. And we have the fastest finger list. Let's see. The correct answer will be, guys, C option. C option is the correct one, which is going to be capillaries. Capillaries are the areas where the blood vessels are going to get joined. They are joined by a network of capillaries. Let me show you guys the difference between arteries and veins. You all can also screenshot this slide because this is an important slide. Now arteries, they take the blood from heart to different parts. Actually, the name arteries, the word arteries means away from heart. So whenever arteries name is coming, now always remember that arteries, कोई भी artery हो, दुनिया की कोई भी artery हो, if it is in our body, it will take the blood away from heart. वो हमेशा blood को heart से दूर लेकर जाते हैं. They are always going to take the blood away from heart. Okay, away from heart. Arteries का मतलब ही होता है away from heart. So blood is going to come from heart to different parts. Arteries are going to take the blood away from heart to different parts of the body. Blood is coming under high pressure, as I told you. In the arteries, blood comes with a very high pressure. That is why they have thick and elastic walls. That is why their walls are very thick and elastic. Walls are absent So guys, I will explain you what are valves. Valves are some structures which are present in veins, not in arteries, and they do not allow the blood to backflow. वो blood को पीछे नहीं आने देते हैं. Because what happens? Veins have to carry the blood, right? Veins have to carry the blood back to the heart. So in the veins there are special structures, ऐसे ऐसे करके structures present होते हैं, which are called as valves. Okay, valves are opening, and these valves do not allow the blood to backflow. These valves are the ones which are going to prevent the backflow of blood. ये blood को वापस पीछे नहीं आने देते, which is very important in veins, but they are not present in arteries because it is not required. Then guys, they carry the oxygenated blood, the pure oxygen, except pulmonary artery, because about pulmonary artery we will learn. So all the arteries are going to carry oxygen wala blood. They carry the oxygen rich blood away from the heart, except pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is the one which do not carry oxygen wala blood. Since it is artery, it will carry the blood away, but it is not going to carry the blood away with oxygen. Then guys, they are going to take the blood from different parts to the heart. Blood is not under high pressure. They are having thin wall and less elastic. Valves are present to avoid the backflow of blood, and these carry the deoxygenated blood, that means CO2 wala blood to back to the heart, and except pulmonary veins, because pulmonary veins take the blood with oxygen and they take it away from the heart. Bring it back to the heart. So basically, the pulmonary vein is the one which do not carry with deoxygenated blood. Let's understand the basic structure of how does it work. So guys, this is heart. Okay, in the heart there is blood. We all know that heart has blood. Now the heart has blood. The blood is mixed with oxygen. One part of the heart is receiving the blood with oxygen. इस वाले part में oxygen भी है. Okay. Now what will happen? This oxygen will go away to all the body parts with the help of arteries. We have learned this because arteries take the blood away from the heart which has oxygen in it. Here oxygen is not present in this part. So what will happen? This part will receive the blood back. ये वाला जो part होता है यहाँ पे वापस से blood आता है without oxygen. Okay, without oxygen the blood comes over here in this part, and with oxygen it comes over here, and from here it also goes to different body parts. In the capillaries they exchange the blood, and the veins carry back the blood to the heart without oxygen. So guys, is it looking like a cycle? Is it looking like a cycle? एक तरफ से जा रहा है, दूसरी तरफ से आ रहा है, एक तरफ से जा रहा है, from one side it is going, from the another side it's coming back. Yes. Is it looking like a cycle? Absolutely yes, it is. Now, similarly, what happens? Now this blood is coming back without oxygen, but what will heart do? Can heart add oxygen into the blood? Do you think heart has oxygen in it?